Welcome to this SAT Math session provided by Tutorgram. Topics covered in SAT Math section can be broadly divided into 4 different categories. Today, we will look at additional topics in math.
Let's take a look at some properties of the circle. If we draw two radii from the center of the circle to the endpoints of a chord, then we get an isosceles triangle with two equal sides and two equal angles. If two chords intersect on the edge of the circle, they make an inscribed angle. If the same arc is used to make an angle with the center, that is called a central angle. If central angle is x, then the measure of the inscribed angle will be half of that, or x half. If we draw a perpendicular from the center of the circle to a chord, it will bisect the chord into two equal halves. Let's talk about finding length of an arc made by angle theta. We can think of this as comparing a part of a circle to the entire circle. For example, I know angle theta, and if I compare it to 360 degrees, it will be very similar to comparing the arc length to the entire circumference. Arc length is L, circumference is 2 pi r. If I know the radius and angle theta, I can easily find the arc length. Let's take a look at how to find area of a sector made by angle theta. Again, it is very similar to comparing part of the circle to the entire circle. For example, theta versus 360 degrees. Area of the sector is associated with angle theta, whereas area of the circle is related to 360 degrees. Let's say area of sector is A and area of circle is pi r square. If we know angle theta and r, we can easily find area of the sector.
I would like to tell you about our services at Tutorgram. We provide one-on-one sessions to both high school and college students in physics, chemistry, math, and biology. We also help students increase their score in SAT, GRE, GMAT, and MCAT. All our tutors are graduates of Ivy League universities, and they will be more than happy to create personal and interactive study sessions for you. If you are interested in a trial lesson, please email or call us with your specific requirements, and we will get back to you.
Let's apply these concepts to a problem. We are given a radius of a wheel and we are informed that the wheel goes forward by 10 meters. They want us to find how many revolutions will it make. We know that in one revolution, a wheel covers a distance equal to its circumference. Therefore, it might be useful to find the circumference of this wheel, which will be 2 pi r. If we plug in r, we will get 2 pi times 1 over 4 pi, which simplifies to 1/2. To find the number of revolutions, we need to compare the total distance to the circumference of the wheel. 10 divided by 1/2, or 20. This wheel will make 20 revolutions to cover a distance of 10 meters. Let's take a look at another problem. We are given a tangent to the circle. Since the radius and the tangent always make an angle of 90 degrees, therefore AB must be perpendicular to BC. They also told us that AB is equal to BC, which makes this an isosceles triangle. Therefore, angles of this triangle are 45, 45, and 90 degrees. As this is a special triangle, a ratio of the sides should be 1, 1, and root 2. We know that AB is equal to BC, let's call it R. Therefore, hypotenuse AC will turn out to be root 2 times R, which is equal to 8. Therefore, radius will be 8 divided by root 2. We can simplify this by multiplying both top and bottom by root 2. It will turn out to be 8 root 2 over 2, or 4 root 2. Now we know the radius of the circle, we can easily calculate area of the sector by comparing it to the area of the entire circle. It's the same concept of comparing part of the circle to the entire circle. area of the sector is associated with angle theta, and area of the circle is related to 360 degrees. We can plug angle theta as 45 degree, compare it to 360. On the other side, we can write the ratio as area of the sector divided by area of the circle, which is pi r square. This ratio will simplify it to 1/8. We can find the area of the sector as 1/8 times pi r square, or 1/8 times pi times 4 root 2 square, which will simplify to 4 pi.
If you're looking for one-on-one tutoring, please feel free to reach out via email or cell phone, and I will be happy to answer any of your questions. Please subscribe to our channel for more SAT content. Feel free to share this video with any friends who might need help with SAT math.